we can use a second derivative to determine the concavity of a function over its domain. So if we look at the open interval from minus infinity to 0.7, the second derivative is positive. So therefore the graph is concave up. And over the open interval from 0.7 to infinity, the second derivative is negative. So therefore the graph is concave down. And we can observe that when the second derivative is 0, that's an inflection point where there's a transition in curvature of the function's graph. And if we look at a critical point and take the slope of the tangent to the curve slightly after, well, we can see that the finite change in the slope of the tangent to the curve with respect to x is less than 0 here. So a negative slope minus a 0 slope. And that's consistent with our second derivative.